Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Turn on the Ps4 and sign in so you control system options immediately. Once signed in, press up to reach the function area and open settings. This is where Power Policies live. Make sure any pending system update finishes because changing power options during an update can interrupt installation. Next, select Power Save settings to expose the timers and rest mode features. This gets you to the controls you'll adjust in the next step. Now alter the specific settings. Choose Set Time until Ps4 turns off and change both the gameplay and media timers to the longest interval or never if your firmware shows that option. This prevents automatic shutdowns. Then enter set features available in rest mode and disable features like stay connected to the internet or enable turning on Ps4 from network if you want full power-off behavior. Make sure to confirm each choice. Once done, the system will respect these preferences until you change them again. Finish by restarting the Ps4 so changes take effect cleanly. After reboot, verify the timers and rest mode options still show your chosen values. If they reverted, sign out and back in to ensure your profile saved them. If settings keep resetting, check for parental controls or account restrictions and install any outstanding system updates. As a last resort, perform a soft reset or rebuild the database from safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.